Somali Community Inc.'s COVID-19 Recovery and Support Program 2020 to 2021. Over the last 2 years, the COVID-19 pandemic has impacted our community significantly and had detrimental effects on the Somali community in Victoria. Through our COVID-19 recovery program, Somali Community Incorporated aimed to support vulnerable families in the Somali community as they navigate and recover from the effects of the pandemic. We aim to provide food relief hampers, hygiene resources, mental health and well-being packs for children, sporting equipment, and vital COVID messaging, including translation of key information such as regular health updates and vaccine rollout messaging from government. Here is what Somali Community Inc. did during these unprecedented times. COVID-19 messaging. Somali Community Incorporated has played a vital role in supporting community through the COVID-19 pandemic. There was a lack of translated material, especially in the Somali language, as well as sudden shutdown of community organizations, community hubs, programs and mosques caused fear in community. It has been extremely difficult on our community to learn about and keep up with regular news on COVID-19, health advice and government information. We've translated and shared government information to community consistently and in real time. We created flyers and shared key details through our network, social media platforms and community group platforms. Emergency food relief. Since the COVID-19 outbreak, hundreds of families needed support as they could not afford to purchase food. Over the past 2 years, we have delivered over 1,000 food relief packs that include non-perishable foods such as rice, flour, pasta, sugar, oil, oats, etc. This food relief packs reached more than 5,000 individuals. Hygiene equipment. Somali Community Incorporated distributed thousands of hygiene equipment including hand sanitizers, disinfectant wipes, face masks to vulnerable families and community members to help community stop the spread of COVID-19. Hygiene products reached families, local small businesses, taxi drivers and rideshare providers. Well-being packs. Children and their families have faced various hardships because of COVID-19. This has significantly impacted the mental health and well-being of community. Somali Community Inc. has distributed well-being packs for young people to help keep them occupied, creative, and gave them something to do as we go through COVID-19 restrictions. Sporting equipment. Somali Community Incorporated assisted young people, as well as adults, especially those residing in the inner west of Melbourne including Flemington and North Melbourne with sporting equipment to encourage physical activities and sports. Sporting equipment reached over 300 children living in and around inner west and west of Melbourne. Seniors health training. We've provided resources such as computer and tablets to seniors so they can stay active and connect with their family and friends through the stay-at-home restrictions. We also provided sporting equipment to young people and elder people to stay active in both indoors and outdoors to promote self-care and to prevent isolation and mental health issues. Support letters. Somali Community Incorporated has provided letters of support and referrals for homeless/at risk of homelessness families, support for family violence victims, food, mental health referrals/checkup, housing support, and more. The need for letters of support doubled in the last 2 years as a direct result of the hardships of COVID-19. Telephone calls. SCI has been contacted many times during the days. Many calls were requests for support as families and individuals were in isolation all around Victoria. Others accessed updates on restrictions, testing, vaccinations, and health advice through the team. Public housing lockdowns. Our team has played a vital role in supporting government and local organizations support over 3,000 residents of the North Melbourne and Flemington public housing towers who were placed in harder lockdowns in early July 2020. Our team worked 8 to 15-hour days supporting local and state government, health organizations, Victoria Police, community agencies and organizations and many more as we navigated the lockdowns and the recovery phase. Recognitions and achievements. Somali Community Incorporated has also been acknowledged and awarded in recognition of the work we have done over the pandemic. These include DHHS Community Engagement and Support Acknowledgement COVID-19 and Melbourne Awards Community Champions 2020. So, none of this could have been accomplished without our team and volunteers. The work of our volunteers has helped thousands of community members, and we cannot thank them enough. As we recover from COVID-19 and prevent future outbreaks, Somali Community Incorporated aims to continue supporting community through these uncertain and difficult times. Finally, we would like to thank the local, state and federal governments for their kind support and advice through the COVID-19 pandemic.